Are the 2024 6585 e-bikes still expected or delayed? So let's go back a little bit. When KTM came out with the electric 50s, their promise was that the kids that jumped on these electric 50s would be able to progress all the way through. In other words, they'd have a 65 and 85 ready for these kids. Then COVID happened, and obviously that did not happen. There is not going to be a 2024 electric 65 or 85. However, I can confirm that they are working on these. I have seen prototype pictures, but I wouldn't be surprised if you don't even see these bikes in 2025. You're probably looking at 2026, maybe even later. As sad as I hate to say it, my boy's 4, and I think it's going to be close that he's able to hop on an electric 65. So it's a super bummer, but they are coming. And if they're anything like the electric 50 is, they're going to be a sweet, sweet game changer for moto moms and dads.